Hey YouTube, it's your boy. Yeah, so we're gonna be adding that. So first things first, I have the um, asset right here in Blender. I just put a quick decimate on it, because with Roblox, they're not too very good in terms of high poly meshes. So first things first, always just keep it to the lowest poly as possible while maintaining the quality. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and export this into Roblox. So yeah. Boom, so right here I just imported it into my Roblox. As you can see, it's actually huge in comparison to the size of the character right here. This is the size of the character in game. Actually, if you wanted to see something cool, right here is actually the size of the original character imported. So this is the size of the character in the original game versus the size of the character in Roblox. So just something cool if you want to see just scale difference, because obviously Roblox scale is a lot smaller than Unreal Engine. So here, since this is so big, I have my own custom scale, which is actually 0.08 of the original size. So this is what it would look like now in comparison to the character. And boom, now that we have it all set up, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the animations for the bear trap, and yeah, we can get rocking with that. So okay, so for now I just imported some of the animations, not all of them, but right here we have the animation. When you set it up, it should just open up like this, and perfect. So this is basically this means the trap is active, waiting for anybody to get hit. And I have my other animation, when you get hit. Basically, whenever you step on the trap, it just completely goes up, kind of hits the person who's steps over it. So yeah, what's interesting is my current system only works with weapons, like handheld weapons, or for example, you pick up a weapon and you shoot a gun, right? But this is a little bit different because this is a weapon that is both like you can pick it up and have it in your hand, but to actually interact with the weapon or do a certain action of the weapon, it doesn't have to be in your hand. It actually cannot be in your hand. So I'm gonna have to make some exceptions to my current system. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix something on my current system, and I'll just come right back. So with my current system, um, I'm pretty sure it would be very easy to implement. I'm actually going to implement it right now. Literally, probably only take um, one line of code. So I'm back. Sorry, I actually ended up stopping recording for that day just because I actually had something to do, but it's been a few days, but the grind don't stop. So I think the last clip I had, I was talking about um, setting up the bear trap with my current inventory system. So it was a little bit longer than one line of code because I had to write kind of an exception in the system I have, which is all right. It's not the end of the world. But So I'll show you. Let me just turn the volume real quick. Uh, I'm unable to hear. That's weird. Okay, I'll fix that later. But basically, what happens here is you pick up the bear trap. Sorry, it's has the baseball bat animation or picture just because I didn't fix that. But yeah, so if you want to set it up, all you ought to do is click, and they come down, and boom. As you can see, the animations are not synced up that well, and also something else that happens is um, the bear trap animation goes right back to the beginning. That's only because we didn't play the new animation, and I think instead of playing the second animation, I'm actually just gonna adjust the speed of the animation, just set it to 0. That way I don't have to load in more animations than needed. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go and do that, as well as figure out what's going on with the sound. And I'm gonna tweak some animation stuff because as you can see, the animations weren't really lined up that well. But keep in mind though, I am playing the animations on the server, so that could definitely be a cause of concern. Um, yeah, I don't know why I'm playing it on the server. Maybe because it was just easy because it was in my events handler. It was just easier to play because I just store it in a table and just check if it's there or not just from a quick check. But yeah, I might have to move that to my client replicator just to just have better visual and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and handle that, and then I'll be right back and see where it takes me. Okay, I was able to fix the recording. Fix the audio for the sound. So basically, I literally just created a new coroutine or a new thread, and all I did was literally just wait for the animation event, and it should just halt the animation. That's literally all I'm doing. So we'll test it. Hopefully we get no errors, so we'll see. All I get is errors nowadays, so all right, cool. And now if we put it in, cool, perfect. Any errors? Adjusted. All right, nice. So now literally it's working exactly how I want it to work, and it's also halted. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to line up the animations. I guess I'm gonna play it on the client. I guess I'm just lazy, but yeah, we'll transfer it to the client, like whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll come back. Okay, so I'm back, and I low-key did a lot of off-camera work, to be honest. So what I have right now, I pretty much finished the bear trap. Although I haven't added sounds, the main functions and everything like that are implemented, so I'll give you a brief rundown of what it looks like. So here, I'm coming in, pick up the trap. As you can see, I have the UI for the trap added, and let's say I want to go place the trap. I'll just click, place a trap. The animation does run a little bit fast. That's pretty fixable. And boom, now the trap has been placed. As you can see, I can either disarm the trap by holding, or I can get hit by the trap. So I'll show you what it looks like if I get hit. If I get hit, boom, right? Now, I gotta open the trap. If I press E, it'll go faster. As you can see, if I don't, it takes time. And when that is over, the trap just opens and closes. So now the trap is able to be grabbed again, like that. And just the process starts over again. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I'll show you what it looks like if I disarm the trap. So here is me arming the trap again. And now, if I go ahead and disarm it, you'll see, right? And boom, it's all disarmed. And I can grab the trap again, place it down again, right? And now, this will kill me if I get hit by it, so I'll just show you. Boom, kills me. And it does have support for death, obviously, because it doesn't play the death animations or the trap hit animations as well. Now, me respawning, I can grab the trap again and literally start the whole process over again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna go ahead and add the sounds, and just try to look for minor bug fixes, and I'll come back with everything completed. So shouldn't take me too long, honestly. So yeah, I'll just be right back. Alright, so I basically finished adding the audio, and I did some quick bug checks. So I'll show you guys the finale before I go ahead and wrap this up, because I've been recording for a little bit, not gonna lie. So we'll spawn in just like regular, and then I'll go to the bear trap. Now if I go ahead and place it, you'll see the sounds. Yep. Perfect. Cool. Now here I can disarm it like this. You hear the sounds as well. Cool. Now it's able to get picked up again, just like this. Place it again. And this time I actually get hit by it, so. And let's grab my leg. Here, open the trap, I'm spamming, so I can go faster. Cool. And then we'll show death. Give me 1 second. Place it here. Open the trap. Oh, that's an issue. Okay. Oh, it's just an animation issue. Okay, that's just a quick fix. But you guys overall get the gist of it. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Definitely been recording for a little bit, so. This has been your boy Nate the Great, and I'm out.